Tiandra and I'm back with another video, and y'all already know where I'm about to go. So y'all are gonna listen to me talk and get ready and review this new wig for you guys. So yes, Recool Hair sent me a headband wig to review for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys what they sent me. It's always loud when I want to record. They sent me this curly wig. I think it's 18 inches if I'm not mistaken. Inside they sent me with caps, of course, a bonnet, which is super duper cute. Sorry, I didn't mean to put that in the camera. A cheetah print headband wig, and y'all, at this point I got about 5 of those. So, and some lashes, and of course instructions on how to take care of the wig and stuff that it comes with. And yeah, and it tells you like all the social media and all of that. So I want to thank Recool Hair for reaching out to me and sending me these products to review. And let's get on with the review. So because I know this is going to be super duper fast to install, I'm also going to do like my no makeup look with you guys as well. And I'm going to talk to you guys about Real Housewives of Atlanta. So Real Housewives of Atlanta, I don't even know what season we're on. I've been watching it literally since season 1. And this season I really wasn't excited about because Nene wasn't going to be on there. And even though Nene is drama, Nene really is the show. I think she brings what needs to be brought on the show. And so when I saw the trailer, I was like, it's going to be boring. I really didn't care for Latoya forever to be on Real Housewives of Atlanta, because in my mind, like, you ain't even been in Atlanta long enough, you know? And it's just like, you're a YouTuber, you're from Canada. Like, I honestly just didn't think it was fair. Not saying that she's not deserving, but it's just way more interesting people in Atlanta than Latoya forever, in my opinion. And then Drew Sidora, like, literally no one really knows her either, except for old girl who stole Derwin off of the game, you know? But I will say, and this is a spoiler alert, so if you haven't watched it, then go watch the episode. But I tried to upload it like a day or 2 later. That way I won't spoil it for people who haven't seen it yet. Oh, also, if you've never put on a headband wig, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable strap in this headband. But y'all, actually I should do my edges first. I'm getting ahead of myself. Anyway, back to Real Housewives. But yeah, so I really didn't care for like the first episode. I thought it was boring. Like, I really don't even remember what happened, besides I think Portia doing her whole little activist civil rights thing. And then, you know, Candy and Riley, which they refused to speak on Riley's nose job, which I guess I get it, because when Black Twitter found out about it, they really went in. So I guess that's probably why they're not speaking on it. But I mean, I guess it's her nose. I ain't gonna talk about it because she a child, but I don't know. I thought Riley was cute with her old nose. But anyways, so back to Real Housewives. So yeah, so this was the first episode that Drew and Latoya were on. And I just feel like Latoya was doing the absolute most right off the back. Like, she literally wasted no time to be shady, and she was shading Cynthia, and she was shading Drew, and it's just like, bro, we don't even know you, number one. Number two, I mean, like, we know her, like, YouTube knows her, but like the world don't know her. Like, literally as soon as she came on the screen, my grandma texted me and said, who is this new lady? Like, it was so funny. And it's just like, you gotta let the world who aren't on YouTube warm up to you. Like, everybody on YouTube know that Latoya messy. We know she like mess, and like, that's cool. But it's like, you ain't even give Drew a chance. Like, you was just doing too much. So like, it's almost as if she was like, well, since we both gonna be new, I'm gonna make sure I'm the favorite new girl. And I'm happy Cynthia is seeing right through that and seeing her for what she is and who she is, and, you know, whatever. Side note, did anybody notice that, like, all that stuff, that, like, the stuff at Lake Bailey and all that stuff was going on, Portia wasn't there? Like, was she locked up then? Or I'm kind of just confused about timelines, honestly. Also, no, now I ain't gonna say what I really think I want to say. I was gonna say, why is Portia just happen to have all this stuff televised? Her getting arrested and stuff, like, And then the Real Housewives, the cameras just happened to be there. But whatever, I'm gonna mind my business. So anyways, so that happened. And then, did I tell you the length of this hair? You know, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. They told me they were sending me an 18-inch, and this looks like a 16-inch. And the bag said 16, but they were supposed to send me an 18. So I'm a child. I don't even know what length this is. What it look like to y'all? Anyways, let me brush it out. So anyway, so yeah, so they went to Cynthia's house, and Latoya was being shady, talking about Drew's hair looks like a pet, and this hair sheds, by the way. I mean, not a lot, but like, y'all know, like curly hair sheds. It's not a lot, but I'm just running my fingers through it. But yeah, she was talking about how Drew hair looked like a pet, which I mean, it didn't look that bad, but it did kind of look like. I wouldn't have said it. Like, you know, like we all have our days, and Latoya be wearing braids the whole season anyway. Like we ain't know she was big chopped. But anyway, so yeah, and then I didn't like how she was trying to shade Cynthia calling it the river instead of Lake Bailey. Like she was just doing too much to me, honestly. But yeah, this hair is cute. It might be an 18-inch. This might be 18 inches. No, this is definitely a 16. It's cute though. Anyway, I'm not gonna spray nothing on it because I like it big like this. This is cute. But anyway, I keep saying but anyway. Sorry, I keep getting distracted. But the hair is super duper soft, by the way, and it gets big as you guys can see. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And I like it. Okay, so now let's get to my makeup. So, yeah, so Toya was being super duper shady. I didn't like it. And let's talk about Drew. I like Drew. I think Drew is a really sweet girl, but I feel sorry for her and that husband of hers. And I knew it was going to be something because he was cute. And cute niggas be doing the absolute most. And when I found out he was a gaslighter, oh, he reminded me so much of my ex. Oh, Lord, it was just like PTSD. And I was like, no, like, I was rooting for y'all. Like, whenever, like, they started her scene and they came in with the cake and the rose, not the cake, but the roses, and the mom was singing about the anniversary. I was like, they must have went through some stuff. Because, like, who does that? Like, who cares? Like, it's 6 years. 6 years is not even, like, a significant, like, number. So I was like, something must have happened. They must have went through something. And Lord behold, 3 days prior. And I'm like, how do you just get over that in 3 days and just be okay to film? Like, maybe because I'm petty and I hold grudges. And that could be why I'm single and I ain't got nobody. But you not finna, well, I guess people got to do what they got to do for a chick. Never mind. Let me not say that because, I mean, if they had to film, they had to film. But it's like, how do you go away from your family for 3 days and think that's okay? And then think you ain't got to tell your wife. That I could not, for the love of me, understand. And I was like, I'm not really on Twitter right now because I just needed like a mental break from Twitter. Twitter, I don't really make money from. So I wanted to focus on things I make money from, which is YouTube and Instagram. But I had to get on Twitter and see if anyone was trying to justify Ralph, who is Drew Sidora's husband, as to why he felt like he didn't have to tell her where he was for 3 days. And literally everybody was just as shocked as I was. Like, nobody was like on his side. And like, when you leave and drive to a beach or fly to a beach for 3 days and don't tell your wife, baby, that screams cheating. And for them to just come back like nothing happened and be ready to film and all of that, like, no ma'am. No ma'am. So Drew better than me. Way better than me, because baby, we would have been just like Latoya and Kenya with no husband on the show. Well, I'm pretty sure Adam is probably going to be on the show for Latoya. But anyway, I did that brow really good. That's my good brow, though. So anyways, I don't really just do my brows for my no makeup look. I just do my brows and I conceal under my eyes and I wear lashes. That's really it, because we wear masks and nobody's going to see the bottom of my chin. Plus, it's still healing, y'all. I don't know why my chin broke out the way it did, but it is getting better. But I've been telling y'all that for like the past couple of videos. This video is all over the place, but keep up. Okay, so anyway, so back to Real Housewives. So yeah, so then we also find out that Portia and Dennis are no longer together, which we all saw that coming from a mile away because he's a cheater. And it always be the ugly looking motherfuckers that be cheating. Ooh, excuse my language, because I already know I got family members that be watching my channel. But it just be the audacity of these ugly dudes that be cheating on these beautiful women. And it's because they have money and they feel like they're in power and they feel like they just can. It's like an ego thing. It's like, yeah, I'm ugly, but I got money. Watch me go buy the next bitch. Like, and I feel like that's what it be like for Dennis. And I just know Ralph cheating. I'm sorry, Drew. Drew, if you see this, he cheating. But I think all men cheat, so that don't really say much. But yeah, and then like Kenya, I'm happy she finally seeing the light too. Because as evil as she is, she don't deserve how that man be treating her. And I feel like if she did receive more love, you gotta understand Kenya's the way she is because she don't receive love. She don't receive love from her mom. She don't receive love from her husband. She just now had a baby. So it's just like if she received more love, then she probably wouldn't be as evil as she is. So yeah, I don't know, but yeah, she was looking bad. Like she was getting bigger, and it was like all in her face. And King is a really beautiful girl, so I'm happy that she's getting out of that toxic situation with her husband, with Mark, because he don't want her for real. But they have the most beautiful girl. That's my favorite housewife baby, Brooklyn. I'll actually go and like look on Brooklyn's Instagram page because she's so adorable to me. Pilar cute too, but I really like Brooklyn. Anyways, so who else did I not? Candy. Yeah, Candy is always boring to me. She cool. Like I don't dislike her as a person, but like her storylines, it don't be enough drama for me. So like Candy, like I don't really be looking forward to her. Like I know Raleigh's going to college in NYU, which is a huge accomplishment, but like she don't really have like no drama. So I don't even remember really her. I saw Mama Joyce was trending, so I feel like maybe I missed something. But I really wasn't paying attention to Candy. I was on my phone, or I was like doing something. I forgot. But anyway, but yeah, like so far, I guess they're gonna be okay without Nene. I don't know, because it's a little boring, and like I said, I think Latoya is doing the absolute most, and it's annoying. I like Drew. I think Drew is nice, but I've seen in the previews that Drew know how to take up for herself. So I think it's not saying her being nice is an act. I don't think it's an act, but I feel like she can turn up when she needs to. Also, y'all, I don't know if you watched my previous 2 videos with the magnetic lashes. So that's what I've been wearing now until I'm able to go and get my lashes redone. I just haven't been able to because I work on the days that my lash lady comes, and she only comes once a week. So until I get an off day, I'm back to strips or wearing these magnetic lashes, which I don't mind because I like rubbing my eyes. I used to hate like when I wash my face, I have to wash around my lashes. I wash my lashes separately, or I couldn't take really hot showers because my lashes, like it's just a whole lot of. So I'm actually happy. But I do miss like waking up pretty. My sister says I don't look as bad as I think I do without lashes, but I miss my lashes, child. Anyway, so I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'll put my magnetic lashes on. But yeah, it looks kind of crazy because it looks like I only have makeup on half my face, which I do, but no one's gonna see it because I'm gonna have on a mask. And this is how I did my makeup at work. This is how I do my makeup when I'm going somewhere and I just know I'm not gonna take off my mask. This is what I do. And then I let this heal because it just looks a mess. But okay, I don't even know what lashes I want to wear today. I don't want to do too much. Well, I'm just gonna do these because these are my favorites. And I just love how reusable. Like you don't have to clean them. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can clean them, but it's like you really don't even have to because it's like no glue residue. Like it's just so convenient. Look at that. It's beautiful. It makes the slightest difference. And one thing about this eyeliner, like it stays tacky. like all day. It's just, anyways. So back to Real Housewives. So yeah, Latoya, I don't really like her on the show. I think she's doing too much, and I think she should just stick to YouTube. And that's really it. Now, granted, my opinion can change as the season rolls on, but she was just doing too much last night, and it was cringy to watch. And I don't like Ralph, who is Drew Sidora's husband, because he's a gaslighter, and I think he's cheating on her. That's pretty much it. Like, I really want to tell y'all about Potomac too, but I'm not really a commentary channel. Like, I'll just talk on stuff that I feel like I want to talk about. But if you did watch Potomac, then you saw that read that Monique gave Giselle, and that was the best read. That was like top 2 with up there with Phaedra's read for Kenya. Ooh, man, when she pulled out them receipts and pulled out Jamal's phone number, and Karen came through with the layup. With what is it? I don't know the sports terms. She came back through and was like, "Is Jamal here?" And then Giselle was like, "No, he isn't." And she said, "Thought so." Woo! When I tell you, that was so funny to me. But yeah, okay. So don't look at my chin, but look for the eyes up or nose up. I look good, right? Cool. So this is Recool hair. This is their curly unit in 16 or 18 inches. Maybe it's 18. The bag says 16, but I don't know. But yeah, super duper affordable. Really, really soft hair. After I got all the shedding out, it doesn't shed anymore. Of course, you can wet it if you want to, but I'm not going to. And hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm just trying to give y'all the visual, because y'all probably think I look stupid with just half my face and makeup on it. But I'm going to have on a mask. I'm about to go to work. No one's going to see. My baby hairs are done. And yeah. So I want to thank you guys for watching me. Let me know your thoughts down in the description box below about Real Housewives, either Potomac or Atlanta. I watched them both. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.